And there is another surprise waiting for the believer. When we discover that amongst us, there are around 70,000 who will be chosen just from this ummah to enter Jannah with no suffering or accountability. At-Tirmidhi narrates on the authority of Abu Umama that the Messenger sallallahu alaihi wasallam, he said, Allah has promised me that on the day of judgment, He will nominate 70,000 from my ummah to enter Jannah with no suffering, no accountability. And then He said, and from every 1,000, from the 70, another 1,000, Allahu Akbar. He said, and on top of that, 3 handfuls from the handfuls of my Lord. Umar, he said, Allahu Akbar when he heard this. Allahu Akbar. That is unique to you. That is unique to your ummah. No other ummah will have this. And will you be happy to know that if Allah Almighty allows us to enter Jannah, we, the Muslims, will be 50% of the population of Jannah. He said to his companions, would you be happy if you were a quarter of the people of Jannah? They said, we would be. He said, would you be happy if you were 1/3 of the people of Jannah? They said, we would be. He said, I swear by Allah who possesses my life, I hope that you will be half of the people of Jannah. In conclusion, my brother, my sister, and I leave you with this, raise your children with these meanings. Raise their morale. Raise your children to be people of morality and virtue, adab, akhlaq, dignity in this depraved world of ours. Don't allow your children to see themselves, despite the brutality and the normalization of killing, don't allow your children to see themselves in any light other than what I just described for you.